everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Dewalt 20 volt string trimmer. Model number is DCST922 and it is a brushless 20 volt Dewalt string trimmer. As far as functionality on this, very simple. It even has a really easy way to reload the string, which I'm actually going to show you how to reload the string as well in a moment. And normally that's kind of one of the tougher things with string trimmers. They actually have a new way to do it that makes it really easy, so I'm excited to show you guys that. It also has a high and a low speed, and it folds in half, so this will just pivot like so. This has a little safety release, so if you push this up, it'll allow this to drop down and lock in there. And then you can push that back and that's going to hold it in place and keep it this way. That way, if you're not like storing it, you need it to be small, this is how you're going to use it. It also has a safety on the side where your thumb is, and then the trigger right here. So that being said, I am going to jump right into changing the string like I said. So a lot of the times to change the string on these, you have to push these in, take this out, pull out a little piece underneath of it, wrap it in string, put it back in, pull the two holes through. It was a pretty big headache. So now they have this nice little system where this middle part will spin and it'll spin your middle base piece, and then this has two holes. So once you have your string right here, this is the piece of string that we're going to put in there, you will basically look in there and until you find a little hole, and you'll keep spinning it. And once that comes into play, I can actually show you. So I think, try to get this right in front of the camera there. If you can see through that hole there, it's actually all the way through. You can see light on the other side. So once that's open like that, you can drop the string in and it's gonna go all the way through from this side. All right guys, so once you get that through there, you're gonna pull these two sides together till you get the two ends to meet, and then you want to pull it all the way out as hard as you can, so everything is, keep this here to keep it in place so that these are split perfectly evenly right about there. So then once you have your string through, you can go ahead and hold this and just spin that bottom and it's going to pull your string in, as you can see. So it's literally that easy, guys. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and throw a battery in here and just give you guys a quick demo of it. Slide this in. And again, it has a high and a low, and you're going to hear the little excess clip off on this little blade right here because it's longer than it should be. And that's the tool on high. Here it is on low. And then, if you need to extend it to get more string length, all you got to do is while you're running it, you'll tap your head on the ground and that's going to give you more length. If anybody has any questions, please let us know. If you have not subscribed, please do so. We're actually giving this entire kit away to a subscriber at the end of this month. And we do the same thing every month thereafter. So hit that sub button, hit the like. If you have any comments or future video ideas, please let us know. Thanks so much for all your support, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks, guys.